Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about Euro USD. Euro USD, my forecast for the week for Euro USD. So I'll just go to Euro USD. What am I going to be looking at in Euro USD first? As you know, I'm going to come on the monthly time frame. I normally analyze, I was doing some analysis uh, previously. So I'm going to come on the monthly time frame on the Euro. I'm going to check my key levels. When I come on the monthly time frame, I check my key levels. This is the area where market reacted significantly from. This triple bottom. When I check my key levels, I also check chart pattern. I normally use chart pattern, the high head and shoulder pattern and the inverse head and shoulder pattern, double top and the double bottom. This triple bottom is the one that pushed this market upwards. This kind of a head and shoulder pattern is the one that pushed this market downwards. And when this market wanted to go up again, this double bottom here is the one that pushed the market up. And if this market wanted to go down, that's the way the market works. Like head and shoulder pattern, the head, the left shoulder, and the right shoulder push this market downwards. And when this market is about to go up, this chart pattern here, double bottom, is the one that pushed this market kind of up a little bit significantly. And if you look closely, I could also see if you look closely, I could also see like a kind of a head, a left shoulder, and a right shoulder. It's also a consolidation. Inverse head and shoulder pattern is also a consolidation. So that is what I can see on the monthly time frame. And that is why presently this market is pushing upwards. So this area is kind of the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern that I can see. So as of the moment, the candlestick is looking very bullish, and we are 26th of this month. The candlestick is looking very bullish as of the moment. So what I'm going to be looking at is because this area is the area, this green zone is the area of profit taken in the market. So when I come to the monthly time frame, I just check what chart pattern can I see on the monthly time frame. At least presently, I could see an inverse, a kind of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. I could see a break of the neckline. That's the way that I can see the market as of the moment. Then I will be very careful. I will want this candle to close above like this. Once this market close above like this, then my next level target is going to be this blue zone. I want to see a close above of the monthly time frame, because why am I saying a close above of the monthly time frame? If you check this candle here around this area, you're going to see that this candle has already pushed towards this area before, and it came back and closed back down below this level. So by the time you're seeing this market as of that time, you think, oh, this market is going to come to this area. But look, when the monthly candle was closing, it closed back down below this level, this green zone. It closed back down below. So this, I will assume, to be like a kind of a manipulation in this area. And if you see it push up a little bit in this area. So if this month candle is going to close like this, what I'm going to be expecting is a retest of this neckline, a retest, because if this month candle close like this, I'm going to already conclude that this is a break of the neckline of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. And once you know the break of a neckline of an inverse head and shoulder pattern, the market is going to replicate the same amount of time, the same amount of consolidation is spent inside this, is going to replicate the amount, the length at which the market consolidated around this area is going to replicate it in this area. So that is what I'm expecting. So I'm going to be expecting a little bit of pullback around the neckline and a push up towards the upside. So that is what I can see on monthly time frame on Euro USD as of the moment. So since I've already established the fact that I'm expecting a close above in this area, I'm expecting a close above, monthly candle close above in this area, then I'm going to come back down to my weekly time frame. When I come back down to my weekly time frame, what am I going to check in my weekly time frame? I'm only checking for chart pattern on the weekly time frame. chart pattern and what the market is doing at a specific period of time, chart pattern. So what is the chart pattern that I can see here? I can see a head, I can see a left shoulder, I can see a right shoulder around this area. If you look closely, I can see like a, a head, a left shoulder. It's consolidative market. So the market is kind of consolidative. So I am going to be expecting, since this kind of a neckline around this area has been broken, I'm going to be expecting a pullback around this area. I will be expecting a pullback, although this level is a kind of a significant level, this level. I'll watch out very closely for this level, this area. I'll watch out very closely for this area. Why am I going to watch out very closely for this area? Because this level is the level that dropped the market back downwards. So anything can happen at this level. So that is why I'm saying I'm expecting the monthly candle to close like this. This is almost this by the end of this week is going to be end of the month. So I'm expecting a close above. If this the monthly candle can close above this level, that is the only thing I'm expecting on Euro USD to confirm the buy scenario for Euro USD. And when I come down to my daily time frame, I'm going to be checking the nature of the previous correction on the daily time frame. These are the little principles that I look at, and I don't stress myself so much with the market. I think I look at the way the market, when I come to the daily time frame, I'm looking at the way the market has reacted previously, like the nature of the correction. That is very important to me. I check the nature of the correction. Like if you look at this level, the market gave me a kind of an inverse head and shoulder pattern here that I can see left shoulder, right shoulder, head. So this correction, this is a correction, this is a move. So this is a correction, this is a move, this is a correction, and this is a move. So if you check properly, you can see that this move is already quite stretched. This move is already quite stretched. It's already longer than this. It's already longer than this one that is here. So I'm checking closely, because if you draw out your Fibonacci from swing low, if you draw out your Fibonacci from swing low to swing high around this area, okay, let's check another Fibonacci. Wait just a little bit. Okay, if you check this Fibonacci around this region, it has already broken the 0.27 extension. So I'll assume that this is another move entirely. So I'm expecting, you know why I'm expecting, just the same as GDP USD as well. You know why I'm expecting a pullback around this area? I'm expecting a pullback around this area because this leg to the upside is already too stretched. Not only too stretched, this area is also a significant level in the market. Why? Because this area is the level area that dropped this level downwards. So that is why I'm also going to be very careful around this area. And remember, on the monthly time frame, while we were talking, this green zone is the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern. It's not going to be out of place if I see a correction back to this area, then a push up to the upside, because this market is too stretched already. If you check the nature at which the market is correcting, there's a push up, but there's also going to be a resultant move to the downside. If there is a major move, there's going to be a resultant move. If there is a major move, there's going to be a resultant move. So that is how the market works. The market cannot just continue going up like this. There's also going to be a resultant move. And why I like the Euro USD is The resultant move in this region about 1 year to 2 years ago has been also impulsive. It's not like really consolidative, so it's not going to be difficult to trade. So as of the moment, I'm going to be sitting on my hand because this is already gone. I did not take advantage of this move. This Euro USD move, I did not take advantage of it. This is already gone. So I'm going to be waiting to trade the resultant move. And how am I going to trade the resultant move? I'm going to come on the weekly time frame. I'm going to be looking for a bearish engulfing candle just like this around this area to trade this move downwards towards this area, towards this green bar. I'm going to be expecting a move like this, bearish engulfing candle, bearish engulfing around this area. I'm going to be expecting a bearish, and presently the market is still bullish on the weekly time frame. So this is a major zone. So there is nothing that is going to be making me to sell this market as of the moment because the weekly is still looking very bullish. The only time why I'm not going to be looking for bullish, why I'm not going to be buying this market, because this area is a major zone, it's kind of a minor zone, which the market rejected significantly from. That is why I'm not going to be buying this market. So I'm going to be expecting to sell this market when I already see a red candle around this region. I can see a kind of a correction. And if I go on the daily time frame as well, the 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 move is already too stretched. That's one of the reasons why I'm not going to buy this market as well. The move is already too stretched on the daily time frame compared to other moves. It's already too stretched. So if I'm going to be buying this market around this area, then it's going to be really risky around this area because it's already at the top of the move. If I wanted to buy, I'm supposed to buy around this area, but this is already at the top, almost at the top of the move already. So this area is risky to buy. I will be expecting the market to consolidate. And what is going to trigger my consolidation? I want to see a weekly confirmation of a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, at least red candle close for next week or the upper week. How the market is going to do it, I don't know. But I just want to see a weekly candle close as bearish around this region. Then I'm going to sell this market to the downside. For now, for Euro USD, I'm going to be sitting on my hand. There is nothing to trade. As of the moment, I'm going to be sitting on my hand on Euro USD. That's my analysis for the week for Euro USD.